Welcome to our review of the arrowdancer waterproof fitted mattress protector. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at this mattress protector and its features. The arrowdancer protector offers excellent stain protection and features elastic stretchable deep pockets for a secure fit. 100% waterproof, protect you and your family from dust, mites, bacteria, and allergens. Made of soft, breathable hypoallergenic terry cloth, this bed cover provides both comfort and protection. Features an 80/20 cotton and polyester blend. Enjoy the deepest and healthiest sleep. We'll discuss the sizing, color options, and overall performance of this product. If you're in the market for a high-quality mattress protector, stay tuned to learn more about the arrowdancer waterproof fitted mattress protector.